Kia ora, my cuzzies. It's me, Buzz the Cuz, back at it again on another amazing adventure. Today, we're at Good Planet Anō, and we're off to explore this amazing blow-up theme park. Hoake tātou. Look what I've found, cuzzies, a giant flying fox. Let's go. Oh. Check it out, cuzzies. I'm here at the top of the zipline. Rehe ko. Here at the zipline. Let's go! Climbing up the tower once again. Guess who we're off to? We're off to the stunt jump. Let me show you, cuzzies, what I'm talking about. Whoa. Oh. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Whoa! Check this out, cuzzies. It's a giant zorb. I'm gonna see how fast I can go around the racetrack. Come on. Yeah! Woo! Let's race. Woo! That was awesome. Come on. Okay, so here's the thing. I have found the mega slide, and I have to say, it's massive. And I am really, really excited. Here we go. Whoa! That was amazing. Okay, let's go. Wait. Whoa! Come on! Look at this huge slide. I'm gonna go down it. Wow, what an amazing day it's been today at Te Whānau. I've been on the stunt jump, the zip line, the mega slide, the zorbs. Oh, I even got to go into the water. I can't wait to come back to Good Planet and have another good time. Awesome. Kia ora whānau.